Everybody, and welcome to our Whiteboard Thursday. I just want to take a couple moments and further explain leading indicators versus KPIs, kind of an extension of what we talked about in the live chat. Now, you see that we have, if we're talking about different drivers of marketing tactics here, whether it be social media or paid pay-per-click ads or search engine optimization. Some of the initial things that we look at, initial data points that we look at, are things like followers and fans for social media. How many people are following us as a brand? For pay-per-click and search engine optimization, impressions. How many times is your ad placed on someone's web browser? How many times are you appearing in someone's search results for search engine optimization? And while these are great indicators and good data to have, these are really leading indicators, right? Just because you get a lot of impressions for pay-per-click doesn't mean that you're going to generate sales through that, all right? So these are those indicators that over time are going to help tell us making sure that something's working, and over time we're hoping that they're going to build into sales. Now, when we take that a step further and we follow the funnel down, now we're pushing traffic through all these mediums back to our website, right? Then we start looking at something like click-through rate. So how many people are going from your posts on social media to your website? How many people are clicking on those ads and visiting your website? How many people are seeing something in search engines and visiting your website? Click-through rate's a really important key performance indicator. And technically, that could even be a secondary key performance indicator, not one that's necessarily um, showing you a highly impactful um, way into knowing about sales and revenue, but one that's going to be a good indicator if your ads are working or if your social media strategy is working. So that's kind of the first area in which we start to see these secondary KPIs come through. And then finally, when we're looking at how many people are coming from social media to your website and converting into a sale, all right, or some other action that you want to take, that's our primary key performance indicator in just about every one of these scenarios. So as we funnel through, we're looking at different steps. How many impressions? How many people click those impressions and go to your website? And then finally, how many people are able to convert into a sale? And those are really at these second two levels is what we're really looking at for our key performance indicators. That's the difference between a leading indicator and a key performance indicator. So I hope that this short little video helps clarify some of this. If you have any questions or need some help with your individual project for Unit 2, I'm available, so please let me know.